Hey guys, it's Nakometa and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have a really fun product review that uses AI. AI is used today around the world for many things such as voice cloning, photoshopping, as well as video editing. But what if I tell you that AI is being used for perfume? What do I mean by this? I'm not an AI expert, but simply stated, AI is machine learning that it's used to compile information quickly. But what does this have to do with perfume? Perfume is a subjective taste. Well, AI can be used, and Noteworthy has done it actually pretty efficiently. When I went on the website, there's a personality test that you end up taking so you can find your exact perfume preference. The test is really simple, so let's check out some of the questions together. So the first question that asks is just some general information stuff. Where were you born? What's your gender? And it even asks some personality questions like how introverted or extroverted are you? Then it gives you some hypothetical questions like when you're planning a trip, what are you looking forward to? What are your favorite colors? How often do you wear fragrances or perfumes? It even asks you how many perfumes do you have in your rotation or how many you own. Then we start going into questions specifically about perfumes and what you might like. And it even asks you, what's your favorite fragrance? It even goes as specific as asking you, what kind of notes in your perfume do you enjoy? Whether you like a more woody smell, if you have a more grassy preference, fruit, or even chocolate. Now, even though I have a hard time deciding what kind of perfume I really like, it's probably because I have an all-time favorite and pretty much nothing else. It's the Midnight Romance by Ralph Lauren, and unfortunately it's been discontinued. There's notes of rose, vanilla, lychee, and even raspberry. So with that information, I know that I prefer perfumes with a fruity floral scent. After your test is done, Noteworthy compiles the results and creates a discovery kit, much like this one. So opening the box, there are 4 samples. Let's go ahead and figure out which one's our favorite. This one is N551. So it says on the label that there's a couple of descriptive words that describe this perfume. Creamy sandalwood, warm hugs, soft woodiness, hints of leather, dark smoky, after-hour jazz club, cozy, elegant, and sipping a milkshake. Why did that just describe like the perfect one-night stand? The notes are lily of the valley, amber, and sandalwood. That smells really great. Yeah, it smells very romantic. It's a very floral, woody smell, and it feels like, I don't know, kind of like walking in the forest after there's been like rain. Okay, we're off to a good start. I'm really happy about the first one. Now this one is N619, and the descriptive words are chilly fall walk by the water, picnicking in a spring breeze, beautiful rose opening, unique and lovely, smoky, fluid, and winter vibes. Ooh, a wintry one. These are the notes: juniper, geranium, and suede. Oh my god, this is like my dream man smell. This is specifically going to my husband. This smells like a romance novel. Now to the third sample. This is N307. The descriptive words for this are afternoon in Soho, a late summer lunch after the beach, lovely, fresh and crisp, mandarin and woodsy, creamy, cozy. And the notes are mandarin, basil, and sandalwood. So I'm expecting some citrus notes on this. It has that refreshing orange smell, and I can't really get anything past that. It's a beautiful smell, but I don't know, I never really associate myself with a citrus smell. I think it's because I just think of it as like, that's a smell after a shower. Now to the final one. This is N271. Something luxurious. Paris. Flower shop. High-end shopping. Warm floral. Bridal vibes. Fruity and yummy, feminine and soft. Oh my god, I didn't even read the notes. Black currant, rose, and vanilla. I'm so excited for this one. It got me just on the descriptive terms alone. Oh my god, smell this. That smells amazing. I definitely know my top 2s. It's N271 and N551. But I'm gonna go ahead and give another sniff test and see if I can differentiate which one I really like more. I'm gonna just do it on the paper. I have that smell locked in. It's this one, N271. The way I can describe it is very feminine. It has the same sophisticated, grown-up feminine smell that I loved from Midnight Romance. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. I had a lot of fun making it. Don't forget to leave a like. Make sure to comment what's your favorite perfume or cologne, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.